So cute.
That's Lily.
Oh, she's the best.
You're so cute. You're living the good life out here, aren't you? Yeah. Good morning. I wanted to introduce you guys to someone very special. This is Taylor.
Hi.
She is visiting her aunt who lives on the island. We went to a hula dancing concert last night. It was so sweet and so good. And the singing was beautiful. The music was beautiful. The dancing was awesome. Oh, now we're walking into the sun. Great. Had a really fun night, and we're gonna kind of explore a little bit of Kona today. I'm not actually sure what we're gonna do, but as of right now, we are walking the old A's track where the old airport used to be, and it is now a beautiful garden and beach area. So we are gonna hang out around here, and if you guys want to join us, you're welcome to. Okay, bye.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Take me home. Been in this town for too long, starting to feel alone. Take me back. I wanna feel it again. Now it goes by so fast. When it rains, I wanna feel it on my skin. It feels like summer every time I start to let you in. And the water's begging us to jump in. It feels like summer, everybody's asking where we've been. And it feels like
Hey. So we just found out something very interesting that I wanted to share with everyone, and that is the time difference between Hawaii and New Zealand. So New Zealand is like basically the closest thing to us.
Oh, geez, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Like pushing you over.
We just found out it's 10:30 here on a Saturday, but in New Zealand it's 9:30 on a Sunday, like 9:30 a.m. So it's like we're basically very close in time, but they're a day ahead of us and an hour behind us. It just kind of blew my mind, so I wanted to share that with you guys. We are going to go get some acai bowls for breakfast. I'm gonna get the peanut buttery one this time because
So
okay,
good choice.
let's go.
Yeah.
do you know somewhere that we can go so we can be alone? Hold me tight, maybe closing our eyes will take us to that night. Oh, when it rains, I wanna feel it on my skin. It feels like summer every time I start to let you in. And the water's begging
It's been a while.
Oh, you're talking to
I have to catch them up.
the bees.
Okay, we're gonna go to the beach and do beach things, but we're just gonna do something a lot less interesting, in my opinion. But it'll still be so fun because we have each other, right?
Right.
We're gonna run some errands, go swimming in the pool, and have sunset cocktails tonight.
Which is the best part.
Which is the best part. I just wanted to touch base really quick. For those of you who know that I have been vegan consistently for 20 days now, but I just wanted to disclaim the fact that I had some honey and bee pollen in my acai bowl this morning, and I am totally okay with that. I am in full support of using bee products. And I will talk about that in another video, but I wasn't sure if I was going to get like a weird comment or two about that. I just want you guys to know that yes, it was on purpose and it wasn't an accident, and I still consider myself vegan. Okay, let's go on an adventure. Low-key adventure. Unsuccessful trip to Walmart. We just walked 30 minutes to get here, and I came here for snorkel gear. I just thought they'd be the best, and I left with some dinky goggles, which is fine because I do need some goggles, but we're trying to go snorkeling on Monday, and I am super... Yes, it is. Well, yes, it is fair. It's so pretty up here, all the trucks and the garbage. Yeah, no, this isn't gonna work out for us. I feel like this vlog is just going downhill. We went to the bike shop, and I'm just sort of weighing out my options on if I want to buy a bike. It's complicated as to if it's a good idea or not. It's actually a pretty bad idea from the sounds of it. So, I don't know. I set out to get snorkel gear, a bathing suit, positive information on a bike. Haven't really achieved any of those things. But there is one thing that we are getting that is so wonderful. Boba tea! After a lot of walking, it's really awesome to have a very ice cold beverage. It's not like the best bubble tea I've ever had.
No.
At all, like far from, but that's okay. It's still really good. We got honeydew melon.
Yeah, honeydew melon.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I feel like today's vlog got kind of sloppy. The sun is setting. It's intense.
It's bright.
But we're at the pool right now. I think I'm gonna get a nice little cool dip to wash off my sweaty limbs. Never mind, it's a terrible thing to say. I'm gonna edit that out. My sweaty limbs. Okay, let's go wash off my sweaty limbs.
Peace and blessings.
Peace and blessings.
Hi, darling. Hello.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh, my throat's a little raspy today, but I've got an exciting day ahead of me. I'm here with Taylor and her mom. We are at Ho'okena Beach. It is just south of Captain Cook, and we are gonna go try and find some dolphins. Fingers crossed. So excited. Such a beautiful day. Beautiful drive here. Let's do this.
Take me home. Been in this town for too long. Starting to feel alone. Feel alone, no. Take me back. I wanna feel it again. Now it goes by so fast. When it
I did not see any dolphins.
No.
It was sad. We're pretty bummed, but it was still really cool. We got out super far and it was scary kind of, but also exciting and fun. And we've been talking to a few people on the beach and have realized that there are actually 2 tiger sharks that live right around here, and they're like 14 feet long. And then there was this guy who went out on a kayak and he saw a great white like right out here too. So apparently this is like a big shark area. And we were out there with no dolphins to protect us, like maybe 100 yards out. It was crazy. We cray. So now we're just chilling on the beach, soaking up some rays. Maybe we'll go out again.
Woo.
I don't know. Good times.
Good times.
When it rains, I wanna feel it on my skin. It feels like summer every time I start to let you in. And the water's begging us to jump in. It feels like summer, everybody's asking where we've been. And it feels like
aloha, everybody. We had an amazing time swimming. So much fun. They just dropped me off and I had to say goodbye. But it was really nice having Taylor in town and getting to hang out, just getting to explore and see some sights. But I just went to the post office, picked up my package from my dad, which I'm very excited about. I forgot my wide angle lens at home, which is the #1 tool that I use for my videos. So I haven't had it and I've been feeling really bummed about my videos lately because with my wide angle lens, everything just turns out so much better. So thanks, Dad. I've got a couple other shout outs I want to give before I end this video. Jessie, my newest Patreon. Yay! Feels really good to feel that support and that little bit of financial help for all of the time that I put into my videos. It just means so much to me. So thank you, Jessie, for joining the Huckleberry clan. And then second shout out is to my girl, Evi Moon. She is a good friend of mine who has been working on music for a long time, but she's just kind of getting started on YouTube. So I used her track in today's video, and I really hope you guys will go check out her channel, subscribe to her. All of the music on her SoundCloud is so bomb. I just wanted to shout out 2 lovely ladies before I ended today's video. So I'm gonna go pass the F out. After a little cat nap, I might start editing. So thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to reading all of your lovely comments, and I'll talk to you all very, very soon.
and it feels like